Hello and welcome to the new section on recording types in UiPath. In this video, we will learn about what is recording in RPA UiPath. Let's get started. A recorder captures a user's actions on the screen and translates them into simple automation skeletons using sequence workflow diagrams. The generated sequence workflows can be modified and parameterized so that you can easily replay and reuse them in as many other processes as you need. All user interface elements are highlighted while you record. Not all user actions are recordable. Actions such as text typing and left click on buttons, checkboxes, drop-down lists, and other GUI elements are recordable. Actions such as keyboard shortcuts, modifier keys such as Ctrl or Alt, right-click, and mouse hover are not recordable. This concludes what is recording in RPA UiPath.